Alright, I've been working hard in the garage again. Got my front subframe stripped down to just the bare frame, all the arms and everything in there. Had one of the pins from that go through one of the arms that got stuck. But yeah, it does look terrible right now, but it's been covered in years of grime and grease which have actually saved it, so that should clean up quite nicely actually. So I was going to get it all bead blast and stuff, but I think I might just try and wire brush it and give it a lick of paint because it's not actually that bad. So I'm in a similar position to Will. I've just spent ages and ages, like hours, cleaning up these two subframes and they still look absolute crap. So I have been talking to some sandblasters, media blasters, powder coaters. The prices vary a lot, but I'm going to get someone to come and have a look at them tomorrow to see if they will fit in their sandblasting cabinet and if they can do them, and for not stupid money, because it's just not working. I'm going to be here for hours and hours. I've already spent probably 4 hours tonight on these. So yeah, it's a tough job cleaning these up, and I think the only way you're going to get a good finish, a nice clean subframe, is sandblasting or media blasting. It's all just surface rust, and then getting in there, well, that's just a nightmare. Okay, so I'm calling it a day there. Quite enjoying evenings in the garage, so put the baby to bed and then come to the garage from about 8 o'clock, get a few things done. It's the only way I'm going to get there. Bought this board today. This is my to-do list. Welding on the left, so that's all passenger side that still needs doing, plus the rear valance and closing panels, and then I've got clean up and paint all of these. So subframes, hopefully they'll take that off my hands. So well, that was quick. So that guy was really nice. Everywhere else had quoted me £20, or if I pay by card, like £24. He charged me £8 and a penny, which is just disposal fees. He didn't even charge me for the work. So yeah, it just goes to show it pays to be a nice person. Right, so what I've been doing is taking off what was left of the old sill, outer sill, and basically just going along and grinding with a flat disc. And you can see it's quite an important thing to do because between the layers there's rust. So if you just weld it on top, then your seam's gonna have a load of rust in it. So see, there's some bits still left in there. So yeah, that just all needs grinding back. You could try and spot weld drill it, but it's just a pain. Like, I find the quickest way is just to go along with a flat disc all the way along. If you hold it on the top edge, then you see it kind of almost peels it off this top layer first, and then you can kind of feather it down until it's all gone. So yeah, just going to carry on. Oh, and yeah, I chopped out all of that because it was just rotten. So yeah, I did have one issue where what was left of the inner sill was like dropped down in there. So there's currently a load of rust down in there, I guess sitting against the opposite sill now. So I don't know how I'm going to get that out. I don't really want to have to flip the whole car over just to get some rust out, but I will do it if I need to. Yeah, fun. Right, so it's been a couple of days, and basically I've decided to replace the full inner sill. I've put a light behind so you can have a look at all the holes. If you can see, there you go. Down here's a couple of holes. It's all just really thin and pitted, so I've decided to replace the full inner sill, which should be interesting. I haven't done on the other side. I just patched it, so got my Magnum panel here, which, as I'm sure you can guess, fits horrendously, but yeah, you can see there we've got that closing panel to do like on the other side, and a bit of a hole, couple of holes, rusty bits here. So I've already made myself a cardboard template to replace that. I'm not going to get another panel, and I traced that out onto some steel. Yeah, so I might cut that out first before I do the inner sill. I'm not really sure how to do this on its side, because I need to drill out the spot welds, which are now behind the door. Maybe I could stand inside the car. That might be the only way to do it easily. Made it kind of awkward for myself, I think. Well, there you go. Fun. What I've spent my evening on. Basically, just tried to clean up the whole floor as best I can with a wire brush and a scraper, and it is pretty clean. I'm pretty happy. I've seen a lot worse. There's some pitting at the back here. I don't think it's bad enough to have to cut out. Let me know what you think. If I'm wrong, let me know. All the floor's pretty straight. Like I said, I've seen a lot worse. Pile of dust.
I said one grey floor.
I'll move the camera, it'll be easier. Side lights on.
Don't worry! We'll find it! Save it! It's fine now!
It's really good fun, isn't it?
Higher and longer strokes.
Higher, lower, higher, lower.
Higher and longer strokes.
Higher,
Over
lower.
here.
Up, down.
No, in the shot! You can't. You're not even in the shot! Oh my god. One job. One job.
Not resign.
Lower on your knees. Higher, lower, higher.
You need to go around the side.
You do need to go over here.
Now you look like
You
you're
need
just
to
trying to
go
land
outside.
and park an aeroplane. Someone trying to park
I think that's going to be too much now.
You've overdone it.
It's overcooked.
He's so good.
Oh man.
Why?
Was it?
You just need to do one
Why?
secular.
Oh yeah, that is a bit much.
Okay.
Do one slow part.
We're going to end up on one of your YouTube videos.
This will record sound
Please
as well.
subscribe while you're recording.
Now, do you know what you need to do?
Because you just
You need to be more erratic with the camera, the torch. Can you try and write Mini?
Well, I'm sorry that I'm not a pro at waving.
You've got 30 seconds, so you can go.
Say
Do
when.
How
you
do
want a timer? I'll give you 10
Shout
seconds.
subscribe as well.
Say when. Subscribe.
Ready?
Go on.
I'll go.
I N
Isn't it?
It is. What do you think about this?
And you didn't turn it off at the
I
Subscribe.
Oh, you messed it up for me.
M-I dick.
Min. Min dick. If you just draw a line.
So you need to turn it off between letters as well, the light, yeah?
No, I didn't.
No,
It's fine.
fuck that.
Just do it.
Just join it. But
Just do it cursive, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, you got it.
No, but now you're doing it the wrong way.
You got it.
You got 30 seconds to do it, so you
You
don't
need
have to
to
do it
do-
quick.
No. Right.
Ready?
Oh,
Yeah.
Steady.
Go. Don't have to do it quick, but fucking rocket through this.
Now run away. Now run away. That's it. Now tell the